morning, class 2 students. How are you? Very fine. I'm also fine. So, welcome again to our online video class. So, today we are going to do the exercise phase of the chapter number 16. In the last class, we have completed the explanation part of the chapter number 16, that is the horse and the wolf. Just recalling the story, I am just briefly saying what is the story about, okay? So the story is about the horse. The story is about the horse and a wolf, a wild wolf. The name of the horse is Tilly. What happens? One day Tilly was eating green grass in the garden which was located outside of his master's house. And near his house there was a village, and while passing by near the horse house there was a forest, not village students. There was a forest, and while passing by the forest, the wolf saw the horse, and he gets very attracted on the horse, and he thought that the horse is very fine and it will taste very good. So he will make juicy stick, okay, juicy stick. Then the wolf comes nearer to the horse and approaches very coolly, calmly, and very with a good voice. The wolf says, "Good day, my dear horse, and I think that your color is very pale. I think that you are ill." Then immediately the horse said, "No, no, no, I'm not ill. I'm not ill. But it's my natural color. I was born with the color of grey and white. So it's my natural color." But still the wolf pretends in such a manner that it was not understanding the horse words. And immediately the wolf said that, "Yes, I'm a doctor. I can cure you. You just say me where you have the pain." Then the horse becomes very doubtful on the wolf's remarks. So the horse becomes very careful and said that, "Yes, I have a pain on the backside of my foot. You can see it." Then in the meanwhile, the wolf comes nearer to the horse. Look, in the meanwhile, the wolf comes nearer to the very closer to the horse to see where it has the hoof, where it is to examine the hoof. Hoof means, students, the hard part of the foot of an animal, to see or to examine it. All of a sudden, while the wolf comes closer to the horse, the horse blindly raised its foot in the air and gave a strong kick to the wolf. The wolf went up in the air, and then the wolf saw the stars in the daytime because its head was spinning. Then wolf goes back to his house without thinking of the horse sticks. It is all about the story. So today, now come, we will do the exercise part. So let's open the page number 107. See, students, who said to whom? Here some of the statements have been given relating to your chapter, and here you have to read the first statement and then you have to think this statement has been said to whom and who has said this. Look, students, due to the insufficient space, I am writing here. Is the grass good? Who said this? Who? That is wolf. To whom? That is horse. Okay. No thanks. Who said this? This is wolf. Wolf said this to horse. To whom? Answer is horse. Would you like to examine me again? Who said this? Horse. To whom? Wolf. I have a painful hind foot. Who said this? Horse. To whom? Wolf. Okay. Next. Answer the following questions. What was the horse doing when the wolf saw him? Look, students, these are some of the questions I will give you in the assignment. So the answers of these questions will be provided you with the assignment. So due to the insufficient space, I am not writing the answers. Still, I am discussing all the answers with you. What was the horse doing when the wolf saw him? When the wolf saw him, the horse was eating the green grass in the garden. What were the colors of the horse? The colors of the horse is white and grey. Where was the master's house? The master's house is in the village. The master's house was in the village. Okay. Next, open the page number 108. Then read and match the two columns. Here two columns have been given, named as column A and column B. So here you have to read the statements of column A, then you have to match it with the proper statement of column B. Number 1. The horse name was Tilly. The horse name was Tilly. So you can write here the answer B, or you can match like this. Or you can draw the line like this by matching this statement 1 to statement B. When the hungry wolf saw the horse, his mouth began to water. Answer is A. I am a doctor, said the wolf. The wolf mumbled because his head was spinning. The wolf thought that the horse would make a nice juicy steak. Okay. Answer is D. So we have completed the matching. Next word corner. Read the words from the lesson given below. Find their opposites from the strip. So in the strip, the opposite words of these words have been given, and you have to write the proper opposite word in the blanks in the proper place. Peacefully. The opposite word of peacefully is noisily. Juicy. Dry. Opposite word of juicy is dry. Continued. Opposite word is stopped. Okay. We have completed stopped, noisily and dry. Hind. It's the back side of the foot. So, opposite word is front. Next, outside. Inside. Approached. Departed. Then natural, artificial. Next, what you have to do here, you have to write the look. Fox is a he word. That means fox is the masculine gender. The C word of fox is vixen. The feminine gender of fox is vixen. Write the she words from the strip against the given he words. Here, all the masculine gender of the words have been given, and you have to write the feminine gender. Tiger. Feminine gender is tigress. Man, woman. Lion, lioness. Uncle, aunt. Nephew, niece. Peacock, peahen. Prince, princess. King, queen. Okay, students, we have completed this masculine and feminine gender questions. Look here, we come to the spelling. Sometimes new words can be made using the letters in a word. Look, chair, chair, chair. So using the letters of this word, we can have hair and air. Okay, these words can be formed. Similarly, we have to form in this manner here. Make new words from these words by rearranging the letters in them. Look, leather. Two words can be formed. One is hat. Another one is heart. 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 Okay. Next, teacher. One is T. Another one is cart. 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 Next, golden. One is den. Another one is gold. Carpet. One word is car. CAR. Another one is rat. Okay, students. So we have in this manner we have formed the words. So in this manner we have completed the last chapter of your syllabus. Okay, students. So at the end of the video session, just watch it and complete your textbook filling as well as practice it. Okay. So till then, bye bye. Have a nice day.